Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me Shada Sharaf. Today's session we are going to learn how to create a file and how to removing the file and how to copy the file and rename the file in the Unix. Now this video I am going to cover the 4 points regarding the files, creating and removing and copying and renaming the files. Now first of all I am going to discuss about how to create the file. If you want to create the file in the Unix, there are the two ways are there. The two commands are there. The first two command is a touch command. The touch command is used to create the 0 byte file. Now the second command is a cat command. The cat command is used to create the file. These are the two commands to create the file. I can show how it is. Now clear. See here, now I am going to create the files. Now I'm delete these two files. Now I'm going to T O touch touch file name. I'm giving file 1. Whenever we are giving the touch file name, it creates an empty file. If you see here, it creates the empty file. If you want to create the multiple empty files, just we can give touch file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4. It can give create the multiple files also. See here, file 2, file 3, file 4. We can use to create the file. You can use to create a 0 byte file by using the touch command. Now the next command is cat command. The cat command, it is also possible to create the file by using the cat command. Now I am going to create the file by using the cat command file 1. Now the file 1, I'm writing the data into the file 1, LERNING Sada Learning Hub. After that, Sada Facebook page. Sada Learning Hub Facebook page. Sada LERNING Learning Hub Facebook page. And Sada Learning Hub Facebook group. Now if you want to come out from the file, just click on the control D. It will be come out from the file. This is the way to create the file by using the cat command. If you see here, I'm creating the file 1. In this file 1, I am writing the data. See here, this is the I'm writing the data by using the through command. This is the way to create the file by using the cat command. After that, if you want to append the data into that file by using the cat command, now we can give like this: cat give the double greater than file 1. Now the file 1 is open in the append mode. Whatever you want to enter, whatever you want to type that here, that data will be appended to the file 1. See here, the single greater than is used to create a new file with a write mode. If you want to need to open append mode, just we can give the double click mode, double greater than. It will be open in the append mode. Next, if you want to read the file by using the cat command, now cat less than file 1. Now whatever the content available in the file 1, it display at here. Now in the first time I am writing in the 3 lines, After that, I'm writing, I'm opening the file in the append mode. Write the data into the file sada. After that, it will be, I'm opening the read mode. It will be showed like this at here. These are the data is available in the file. Next, if you want to if you want to copy the multiple files content, multiple files data into the uh, new file, we can use command like this. Now, simply I can create a one more file by using the cat command. Cat, I'm creating the one more file, file2. I'm writing something. After that, I'm control D. I'm come out from that one. Now I want to write file 1 content and file 2 content into the file 3. In this case, we need to create like this cat file 1 content and file 2 content. I need to write in file 3. See here in my folder there is a file 1 is available and file 2 is available. The file 3 is not available. Now I want to write the file 1 and file 2 content into the file 3. We can go like this. Now the file 1 and file 2 content is written in the file 3. If you see here, this is the file 3. Now if you I am opening this one. Now see this. This is the file 2 content. This is the file 1 content. All this content is written into the file 3. File 1 and file 2 content is written into the file 3. The next one is how to remove the file. Now, how to remove the file? If you want to remove the file, just we can use the command rm command. The rm command is used to remove the file. See here in my folder, there is a file 1, file 2, file 3 is there. Now, I want to remove the file 3 by using the rm command. Just I'm giving the rm, just I'm giving file 3. Whenever you are giving this, the file 3 is removed from the directory. See here, now file 3 is not available at here. Now I'm going to create once more file 3. Now before removing the file 3, I need a confirmation. Are you sure you want to remove the file? In that situation, we need to give rm space. You need intimation, just hyphen I file 3. If you are giving like this, it will be ask the confirmation regarding are you sure you want to remove the file. See here rm colon remove the regular file file 3. If you want to remove the file, just click on give an s. Why? If you want, no, if you don't want to remove the file, just give n. Now I want to remove the file 3. That's why I'm giving the S. It will be removed from the directory. See here, the file 3 is not available. If you don't want to remove the file, just I'm giving the file 2 in this my directory. File 2 is available. No, now I don't want to remove the file. Just I'm giving the no n. I'm entering. Now the file is not removed from this directory. Why? Because I'm giving the n means no. Don't remove the file from the directory. That's why it doesn't remove from that directory. Next, I'm going to discuss about how to copy the copy a file. If you want to copy the data from one file to another file, we need to go, we need to create, we need to use the command cp command. Cp command is used to copy the data from one file to another file. For example, I'm creating the cp. I want to file 1 content into file 3 content, file 3 file 3. I want to copy the file 1 content to the file 3. See here, if the file 1 is available but file 3 is not available. If file 3 is not available, it creates a new file and file 1 content put it into the file 3. If it is file 3 is available, just overwrite the file 1 content into the file 3. Now I'm entering. So if you see here, the file 3 is created. Previously, the file 3 is not available. Now file 3 is created. Now I'm againing the run. If it is file 3 is available, but it overwrites the file1 content overwrites with file3 content. This is the used to cp command is used to copy the data from one file to another file. Now if you want to confirmation before copying the data from one file to another file, just we need to give -i. Whenever you are giving the -i, it asks the information, are you sure you want to copy the data from one file to another file? If you see here, cp override the file3, it is asking, are you sure you want to override the file1 with file3? If you want to give it y, if you don't want, no, otherwise give it no, n. I want, just that's why I'm giving the s. It will give override the data. If you are giving the no, it doesn't override file1 content with the file3. This is the way to copy the data from file1 to file3. The cp command is used to copy the data from one file to another file. Next, I'm going to discuss is how to rename the files by using the Unix commands. Here, mv command. The mv command is used to rename the files. For example, in my case, there is a file3 is available. Now I want to rename the file3 with some other name, Sada Learning Hub file name. Now mv file3 I am renamed with Sada Learning Hub. This is the file name. Just if you see here, that is renamed. See here, the file3 is renamed with Sada Learning Hub. If you want to rename the file, just give the mv command. The mv command old file name and give it the new file name. It automatically rename your file. These are the different commands to create the file and remove the file and copy the file and rename the file. Rename the file or directory, you can use it anything. These are the different commands. If you want to create the file, you can use the touch command or cat command. Touch command is used to create the 0-byte file. Cat command is used to create the files and you can write the data into the file, or you can read the data into the file, or you can append the data into the file. If you want to remove the files, you can use the command rm command. It can be used to rm command is used to remove the files from the directory. If you want to copy the data from one file to the another file, just we can go with cp command. It will be used to copy the one data from one file to another file. If you want to rename the file, just we can use the mv command. It will be rename your file or a directory.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Sada Learning Hub, because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.